What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full face of the best makeup releases in 2024. We are in mid-December and 2025 is literally around the corner. So I wanted to go over my favorite high-end makeup products that I 100% think is worth your money. Almost all of these products were released this year, and if they weren't, I thought they were because they went so viral on social media. So in my opinion, they were released this year. I have a drugstore version coming shortly after this, so keep your eye out for that. If you want to know my favorite makeup products of 2024, then keep on watching. You guys, clearly I got a new filming setup and holy shit, it looks so freaking good. It's very HD. I wanted to make everything as clear as possible so you guys can really see what the makeup products look like on someone's skin. So this is a new filming setup and I freaking love it. If you guys want to know what my setup looks like or what I use, just comment below and I will 100% make a video for you guys on that. There are two foundations that I think are 100% worth your coin, girl, and there were a lot of foundation releases this year. Girl, I couldn't even keep up. These are the two that stood out to me the most. It is the Patrick Ta foundation and the LYS foundation. Obviously, one is way more expensive than the other, but I do think that both of these are incredible. Patrick Ta is very pricey, but I do really like this foundation. Do I think it could have been more affordable? Yeah, absolutely 100%, but I do think it's worth it if you're looking for a specific foundation like this. It's extremely hydrating. It's very dewy. If you have dry skin, you will love this. It really does not have a lot of coverage. So if you're looking for something that has more coverage, this might not be the one for you. If you're looking for something that's light to medium and that you can kind of use as a skin tint and a foundation, you should definitely try this. I think it's very, very good.
It's pricey though, girl.
The LYS foundation was recently released and I freaking love this. I have not put it down since I got it. I hate stick foundations, you guys. I absolutely hate them. I do not think they're good at all. This blew me away. A lot of times stick foundations are super dry, super hard to blend. This glides on and melts into your skin. It says it's a skin tint, but I feel like this is medium to full coverage and it looks so freaking good on your skin. LYS is definitely more affordable. It has a little bit more coverage. Patrick Ta is more pricey and you're not going to get as much coverage, but it is still such a good formula. Can't go wrong. Both of these foundations are so freaking good. Today, I'm going to go in with LYS. I also really like how incredible this shade match is. Look at that. It doesn't even look like I have foundation on my face because this shade match is so incredible. I've never liked stick foundations. I love this foundation. Look how easy that was to blend. It took 2 freaking seconds. I just want to keep doing this. This also just gives the most insane, beautiful glow. Normally, I would never apply a stick product directly to my face, but you can do that with this because it is so freaking creamy. I don't know how this is staying in the stick. It melts. The glow is actually insane. I feel like my skin looks so hydrated. It looks like I just did skincare, but all of my redness and unevenness is gone. This is incredible and it's $25, which I do think is affordable for such an amazing high quality foundation. 10 out of 10, 100% worth the hype. I'm not sure if this concealer was actually released this year, but honey, she went
Viral.
on social media. I was 100% always an Hourglass girly. It's all I used. I was obsessed with Hourglass. I preached Hourglass. Then I tried the Natasha Denona concealer and my life has just never been the same. This is so freaking good. Yes, she is pricey. Yes, she is high end. Yes, she is a luxury, as she should be, because this is the best concealer hands down I've ever tried. I feel like this is the Hourglass concealer times 10. It's incredibly creamy. It's so hydrating. It doesn't cake and feel like you're wearing a lot on your face. It actually feels like you're wearing nothing. It's perfect. It's literally my dream concealer, and I want everyone to try it. The main reason I tried this and loved it so much more than Hourglass is because I feel like for me, I don't know if this was for everyone else, with Hourglass, I felt like it dried really, really quickly, so I would have to blend it the second I put it underneath my eye. But with this, the formula is so thin. I can let it sit and blend it in like 5 minutes and it would still look incredible. It would not even feel like it's been on my skin. This blends so quickly. So hydrating. It's so full coverage, but the formula is so thin. I don't know how they do it. It's magic, girl. You guys saw that literally blended in 10 seconds. I don't know. Roll it back. Let's time it. It blends out so quick. It's the easiest concealer to blend. It takes little to no effort, girl. If you're not good at blending, try blending with this because this blend does the blending for you. If I convince you to get anything, girl, the skin is skinning. Too Faced is making a comeback, girl, because their cream bronzer, it's insane. It is absolutely worth the hype. This bad boy went viral for smelling like orange chocolate.
And girl, it does.
It smells heavenly. It smells so freaking good. On top of that, it is just an insanely good cream bronzer. My only complaint is that they make more shades. I think they only have like 4 or 6. I don't know. They do not have a lot at all. Let me look that up actually. Let's see how many shades they have. She's a little pricey. I forgot about that, girl. But we're doing high end. We're doing high end. We're doing drugstore after this, girl. Yeah, they have 4 shades. That's ridiculous. Too Faced, you need to make more. That's absolutely insane. You got to make it okay for everyone to use. If I love it, I want everyone else to try it. So Too Faced, please, 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 please come out with more shades. I have applied this directly onto my face and I do like how it looks, but with stick products, girl, I just play it safe. I always use a brush, but I honestly probably put too much on my brush and I only swipe that a few times. This is insanely pigmented, okay? It's crazy, crazy pigmented. You do not need a lot. Look at that. It blends so easily. Oh, I just love it. What cream bronzer are you guys using? Because I feel like I've tried so many and really not a lot have stuck out to me. I've really only loved 2 of them, and that's this and the LYS cream bronzer. So let me know what cream bronzer you guys think I should try that you think I would like. My 2 favorite high-end blush releases, cream liquid blush releases of this year, were Hourglass and Haus Labs. I love both of these so much. These are both incredible, incredible, incredible high-end blushes. My only complaint with Hourglass is I freaking hate this applicator. Please, dear God, can we get a little pump? Because squeezing it and pushing this little thing, I hate it. It's terrible. The formula, girl, 10 out of 10. If you're looking for an amazing liquid blush, this is your girl. I feel like I don't see people talking about Haus Labs enough. I'm gonna use Haus Labs today. The reason I love this so much is because it's made with 70% skincare. So you can only imagine how insanely dewy and creamy this is. It gives an insane glow and you can still see it when you set your foundation. And you can also use this on your lips. So I love adding a little bit towards the end and then it kind of just all works together. I really love this shade too. I feel like it's just such a beautiful baby pink. This is in the shade Glassy Pomelo. It is time to set these products in place. I think you guys might know what I'm gonna say for powder because I've been using it nonstop. This powder is so good. Makeup by Mario took the cake, girl. He took the freaking cake. This is one of the best powders I've ever used. And oh shit, you know I'm gonna use that too, girl, because that was expensive. I'm I'm not, girl, I'm using that. I'm using that directly from the table. Yeah. Girl, we cannot let this powder go to waste. No, we cannot. I'm literally dipping it on the table, girl, because it's too expensive to be letting it go like that. This is super blurring, super smoothing. I either love a powder or I don't. There's really no in between. And Makeup by Mario killed this powder. If you like the Huda powder, try this. I feel like it's very, very similar. I would love a pink shade. This is in the shade light pink, but girl, it's not pink enough for me. A lot of powders will make my under eye feel super tight, and I hate, hate, hate that feeling. This, so comfortable to wear. I feel like it lasts all day. This is one under eye set. This one is not set. Look how natural and gorgeous that looks. It blurred everything. It smoothed everything. It didn't oxidize my under eyes. I love it. This powder's a 10 out of 10. I really didn't have a powdered bronzer that I loved this year, so I'm just using my Hourglass palette. Comment below what your favorite powdered bronzer is, one that you would recommend to anyone, your holy freaking grail powdered bronzer, because I need to try more. Moving on to powdered blush. People loved her, people hated her. She was controversial this year, but girl, I really truly loved the Rare Beauty blushes. I think they are so freaking gorgeous. It's more of a blush lighter. They're just absolutely insane. You can almost skip the highlighter when you use this, girl. I think this is just such a good product, and I like that she was expanding her line and she released blushes. A lot of people loved them. A lot of people hated them, but girl, I love them. This is the shade Hope. Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. I do think she should release ones that don't have glow in them. Those would be so gorgeous. I'm keeping the eyes pretty simple because I really want to show you guys my favorite eye product of 2024. I don't know if this was actually released in 2024. I'm assuming it was. It went viral. It's insanely hard to get. It's back ordered until June of 2025. If you place an order today, you won't get it until June of 2025.
Girl, that is insane.
I don't know how I got my hands on this. I got so freaking lucky. I randomly checked the website and it was in stock. And I instantly bought it because, girl, I had to see what the hype was about. And I think it is 100% worth the hype. This is the Dose of Colors Shimmer Stick. I would think this is like any other shimmer stick. I have a million shimmer sticks and I have never tried one like this before. This is so insanely beautiful. It's wet, it's glittery. I feel like the camera probably doesn't even do this justice. I'm just gonna stop yapping and put this on because I know y'all want to see it on my eyes. Another thing that I love about this is you can lightly press this and get like a scattered glitter effect, or you can really layer it and have it be absolutely blinding. That is so beautiful, and it's so easy to use too. This adds the perfect little extra glam to any makeup look. I just love it. I feel like the camera doesn't really show the glitter. Yeah, that's insane. So yeah, if you want to look like a disco ball, girl, this is the product for you. And I want to look like a disco ball.
Every damn day.
I almost forgot highlighter because with this blush, girl, you don't need it, but I cannot not wear this highlighter. It's so insanely beautiful. This is limited edition, but you can still get it. So girl, run while you can. This is the Fenty Demi Glow highlighter, and there's just nothing like this. I do not have a highlighter in my collection that's like this. The glow is just unmatched. You barely need any. It's so silky. It's so smooth. You can layer this and layer it and layer it, and you're not gonna get a white cast. If you love a blinding highlight,
Girl, you're gonna be obsessed.
and it's just the most intense, beautiful highlight ever. Yeah, Rihanna, you need to keep this. You need to keep this. We need to petition because this, it's gotta stay. It takes a lot for me to be seriously impressed with a lip product, but the new lip liners and gloss balm sticks by Fenty are just as incredible as every single person is saying. I don't think I've seen one bad review on these, and there's a reason why. These lip liners are the creamiest lip liners I've ever used. It's actually insane. They're so incredibly pigmented, and once this is on, it is not moving. I don't know how this does not move, but girl, it doesn't. Once this is on, it is not coming off. This is hard to get off. Rihanna really said, you're going to Thanksgiving, you're going to Christmas, you're eating, and it's not moving, girl. I'm gonna go in with the shade Rubber Bands. This is the most perfect nude. The lip liner shades are so gorgeous. You could honestly wear these by themselves. That's how beautiful they are. For the gloss bomb, I'm gonna go in with my favorite shade, which is Blazed Donut. Rihanna, I don't know what you're doing, but you are in that lab often, girl, and you are working, because the products that you have been releasing are absolutely fire. I need to make a whole video dedicated to my favorite Fenty products because it is such a good brand, and I feel like when celebrities release brands, they're either good or they're not, and Rihanna's is insanely good. It surpasses good. So shout out to Rihanna. Her products that she released this year, all of them were incredible. My favorite setting spray of 2024 technically wasn't released this year, but different versions were. We all know and love the all-nighter. I don't know what is in here, but your makeup's not moving. This is the O freaking G. It's never done me dirty. It's never done me wrong. This is such a good setting spray. They released different versions of the all-nighter this year, which I just love that they're doing that. They released an extra glow version and a hyaluronic acid version, and this smells like watermelon. It smells so freaking good. The formula of both of these are just as good as the original. They just have a little extra something, and I love it. The extra glow is glowy, girl, and we're using that today. Do we need the extra glow? Absolutely not. Are we going to use it anyway?
Absolutely yes.
This is officially a full face of my 2024 high-end makeup release favorites. What do you guys think? Are these products worth the hype? Are they worth the money? I truly think they are, but I would love to hear what you guys think, and I want to know what your favorite high-end makeup release was. I tried to try everything this year, girl, but it was impossible. There was so many new products launching literally every other second. So let me know what your holy grail was this year. I would love to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun. My 2024 drugstore makeup favorite releases is coming very soon, so keep an eye out for that. If you loved this video, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on my notifications so you know when I upload next. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.